My name is Matthew, and today we'll be doing decomposing tens and hundreds in ST Math. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so number one. So first we click this. Then we're going to start to do this. And then we have to follow the pointing fingers. Okay, so now we're in the real one. Okay, so first we put 3 here, and then another 3, which makes 33. Okay, so now we have to decompose 110, and then now we have to decompose 8, which makes 2, and then the 3 10, so that's 32. Okay. So now it's going, so we take 2, so it's 9. That'll be our answer for this one. And then 2 tens. Okay, so now decompose a 10 again, and then put 5, and then of course we put 4 tens, which makes 45. And then now we're doing another decomposing, and then this one makes 9, and then here is 110. Okay, here's our last part in this puzzle. Okay, so now we're gonna do 15 minus 8, which makes we still have one more life. So the answer is 7. And then 110 again. And there we go. First puzzle solved.